Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ham salad with leftover ham. First, ensure your ham is finely diced, about 2 cups worth. Next, gather your essential ingredients: creamy mayonnaise, a touch of Dijon mustard, and crunchy celery. Don't forget a small red onion for a bit of bite, sweet pickle relish for tang, and fresh parsley for a vibrant finish. This simple method transforms your leftovers into a delightful meal. Now, let's bring these flavors together. In a medium bowl, combine your 2 cups of diced ham with about 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. It provides a wonderful tangy kick. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery for that essential crunch. Finally, incorporate 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish to balance the flavors perfectly. To enhance the flavor and texture, add 2 tablespoons of finely minced red onion. This gives a subtle sharpness without overpowering the ham. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and herbaceous note. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and then taste before adding any salt, as ham can be quite salty. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Your delicious ham salad is almost ready. For the best flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. This ham salad is incredibly versatile. Serve it on crisp crackers, toasted bread, or as a hearty sandwich filling. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika makes a lovely garnish. Enjoy transforming your leftover ham into this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.